Hello, good evening everybody. I'm Dylan, just a regular guy who fixes phones and stuff. Today I've got a Samsung series a520. It's the problem with the charging port. This one has a Type C. It does charge when we push it too hard. The problem might be that some of the pins are broken. So this is how I do it. Let me show you how I do it, and then you might learn something from it. Or if somebody better than me watches this video, he can let me know a better way to do it as well, so that I can learn. So yeah, let me show you how I do this. I'm gonna heat it up and warm this whole thing and remove the back. Since this is completely shattered, I'm not gonna worry about taking it like nicely and all, so I'm just gonna pull it out as quick as I can. So yeah, because since this is broke, I'm not gonna worry about it. And he said he doesn't want to keep the phone, he just wants to get the informations out, so I'm not gonna worry about this. I'm gonna worry about taking this off. And I believe it to be NFC or something, so I try to be careful not to cut into that. Other than that, just pulling this out and opening it up. Okay, this is out. That was quick. Let me remove the SIM card tray. This is what happens. So once the SIM card tray is out, I'm just gonna unscrew all of these. So yeah, this phone, he just wants to turn it on to get the informations out. So I'm just gonna fix the charging port. I'm not gonna worry about any other thing on this phone, like this or this. I'm not gonna worry about it. I'm just gonna worry about the charging port. See if I can fix it. Yeah, I believe it's the pins are detached, so I think I can fix it. Let's see if I can fix it or not. So normally this phone, most of the time, comes with a detached pins. The ground pins, most of the time the ground pins are broken, so just attach them and it works fine again. That's most of the time, but you know, every cases they have different things and different problems, everything, so I can't say it for like 100% it's that thing is broken, but it's like assumption, most probably that is the one that gets broken most of the time. So let's see. Okay, okie dokie. Let me move all of these screws and we'll see it under a microscope how this looks like, if it's broken or if it's any good, or if I have to replace a new one, which I don't have it. Maybe I'll get it from my other, this A5. We'll see. If I don't have that, I will have to remove it. If this doesn't work, if I can't fix it, then I'll have to get it from a other phone, which I have it here. I'll try to get it from there, and then we'll see what happens to it. So let's remove all of these, and this is the charging port here. This one, this is the one that I will be looking at. There's one more screw, There's hidden screws, man, everywhere. Is there any more screws? Oh, there's one more sim. Uh, there's one more of these SIM card holders. Yeah. Okay, it's out now. Remove this now. Where is it stuck now? So most of the times these pins, which I don't think anybody can see it, I put it on a microscope and see that. Most of the time that gets broken and doesn't work. Let's see what has happened to this. Okay, let's have a look under a microscope how this looks like. Yeah, all the pins are broken, man. This looks like this the pad is broken. Yeah, this one looks like the pad is broken. Why can't I focus it? Yeah, this seems like the pad is broken. It's okay, okay. It's okay, okay. It's okay. Not okay, not okay. Not okay, not okay. And not okay. You're not okay. This is. What is this? I think the pin is broken on that as well. The pad is gone. Okay. So yeah, this one and this one are connected to each other. This is ground. These two are connected to each other. This it doesn't want to keep it, so I just want to quickly charge it and make it working. That's what I think, but yeah, we might have to fix this one. Let's go ahead and start fixing this now. Let's see which ones are attached, detached, whatever. Where's this one going to? So from the right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Where is this going to? It's not going anywhere. Okay. So this is not going anywhere. I'm not going to worry about it. So these two are going to go together. These two are ground. So these two gets connected to these two, which is not coming up. छोड़ दिँदा why is this not connected to this one? Oh, it's moving, that's why. Fucking hell. So I'm just gonna cut this bit, a little bit. I'm gonna solder it there. Let's just do this. So these two are going to be connected to this one here. So I'm going to be soldering a jumping wire on it because it's going to break again. I don't want it to come loose. So I just want to put it there and leave it there. And then I'm just gonna put the jumping wire there so that it sticks there. No? So that even if it moves, I don't have to worry about it. I'm gonna have to use some tweezers. And I don't have very good tweezers. So this is what this is gonna look like. Because this might break off again, so I'm just gonna do this so that even if it moves, it's not gonna break. I'm gonna have to jump from here to here as well. Ah, man, such a pain in the ass. Okay, so this is done as well. Let me see if there's anything that's not connected properly. This is the last test I'm gonna do. This, see, this just came off. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is supposed to go there. So 8 and 11 are connected. So 3, 6, 7, 8, 8, 9, 10, 9, 10, 11. So these two are connected. So these two are connected. And then it goes to one at the end. So it goes to this one. And 9 and 10 are connected. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These two are connected. And this goes to this, and then it goes to this. And then, so 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. This is connected to, so one of these, what is it? It's connected to this. And then 13, this is not connected to anywhere. Okay, this is all done. Let's give it a go. See what we can get out of this. This is kind of bent. Oh man. Let's see. Let's give it a go. So I'm gonna stop the microscope and I'm gonna put everything back onto this and see if it works or not, basically. So if he has a pin number, I'm not gonna bother doing a backup. But if he doesn't have a pin number, I'm gonna do a backup of it. If it has a pin number, I'm gonna give him a call and ask him if he wants me to do a backup. Then I can do all the backup of this phone and then you can get other phone and put all the information on that one. It's simple as that. Let's screw this first. So I don't know how this is gonna react once I plug it in, plug the charger in. Maybe it's gonna break again. If it breaks again, I will have to get another one. Get a new charging port. Get it done. Otherwise, I'm just gonna. Maybe I'll have to put this back in, man. Do I have to put everything back? I don't want to do it because I might have to open it up again. Well, to get the power button, forgot to put that. Yeah, let's just put that back in. Forgot to put the camera in. What is this stuck in there? Oh, it's got a crack. So let's quickly test it. I hope it works, man. I hope. So let's do this. Let's remove that. And I'm gonna put it very slowly. And it's charging. Okay, it's 10%. So let it charge. Yeah, I'm just gonna leave the charging port there, and I'm gonna give him a call and ask him if I can do a backup. But the battery is going down so quickly. Why? So let me just quickly do all of these. Put all of these back in. Okay, it doesn't have a password. That's good. So I'm gonna do a backup, and I'm gonna leave it there for a while. See how it does. Once he gets a new phone, he's gonna get all the information onto that, and then yeah. So then he can take this phone to his house and do it from his house as well. He doesn't have to come to me. Yeah, let's wait for a while. Let's wait for you to do his thing. So yeah, this is all done. Since he doesn't want to use it later on, I'm not gonna properly fix it just to get the informations out. Then if he wants to fix it, I can do it later on with the new charging port, and if he wants to get the screen done as well. But for now, this is all I will be doing for this phone. So I'm gonna charge it up and then give him the memory card. He can bring it back later on and do the things. Yeah, that's it, and this is all done. Thank you very much for your time watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any comments, compliment, suggestions, anything, just please do comment. I will be very happy to reply it back to you. I will be quick to reply it back to you. And yeah, because I want to learn and I want to teach as well the things that I know. So if it can be done in an easy way, just let me know. I'll try that because I want to learn, you know. I'm always ready to learn new things. So yeah, thank you very much for your time and have a good day, good night, good evening, whatever it is. Thank you very much. Thank you.